JC is conducting in a 500 people voluntarily came by train, came by bus, came by flight. This is the historical. My name is Pashupati Tadishetty. I am an OCJAC National Working President, and I humble request and I hearty welcome to all the community leaders, different states, different communities, different leaders, and I'm on behalf of OCJAC. We are very much thankful to press media and police as well. And police people have given permission to us to continue our peaceful protest in Jantar Mantar. Once again, thank you, police people. As a OC, just we would like to bring into Government of India, Government of different states to implement the reservation which is constitutionally amendmented, which is having a 101% right to avail the benefits of the OC poor people. Example, Tamil Nadu is not implementing it, even after constitutional amendment to EWS reservation. This is a very shameful to the Tamil Nadu government, which is very, very protesting on behalf of all my OC students and employees and all the beneficiaries. As an independence, 77 years, we are struggling on a Jantar Mantar for the, on behalf of OC. It is shameful for the government of India. This has to, Modi ji, all other central governments, all state CMs has to notice this. Otherwise, as a Jantar Mantar, as a OC, national wide we are going to conduct all the protests in each capital city of states. This has to bring into Modi ji and Central Education Minister as well. So, as well, earlier 14 years we fought for the OC EWS reservations, and fortunately, as a humanity background, Modi ji and BJP government has implemented 10% EWS reservation on behalf of all the my करोड़ लोगों के धन्यवाद दे रहे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को. That is one of the thankful, because whoever do the benefit for our people, always we are gratitude, we are thankful to them. At the same time, whoever cheat us, whichever party is not support to us, definitely, as my brothers are declared, whoever not support 100%, we are working against for them to victimize in a political life. We are going to smash them. This is has to bring into government of Telangana, government of Andhra Pradesh, government of northeastern states, government of western states also. Example, EWS reservation, NEET, they are not implementing in the private medical colleges. This is very bad to all the OCs. When BC, SC, ST reservations are implemented in a private colleges, why not for OC? This has to realize the political parties. At the same time, all the 12, whatever my brothers are already declared, these 12 demands are very, very ethical, very, very rightful demands to uplift our OC backward people. We are struggling for like anything. We are not able to express my community. We are not able to express my caste. We are not able to express my localities because of the pure below poverty. Across India, 14.9 people are working in a daily labor, municipal corporation, street workers. This is the situation of the OC people. Once upon a time, our OC communities has sacrificed for the BC people, SC people, ST people. We used to fund them. Now we are in a position to beg them. This is very, very shameful for the 77 years of independence, Bharat. Once again, all the my community leaders, all the my state leaders, district leaders have an opportunity to speak about our rights. But unfortunately, our people don't have a permission to protest in a 2,000 people. But here it is, in a OCJAC is conducting in a 500 people voluntarily came by train, came by bus, came by flight. This is the historical Dharna Mahadharna in a national level, which has to appreciate, which is very thankful to each and everyone on the dais before dash, left side the dash. This is what my OCs have an aggressiveness because of they are burning, they are sacrificing, they are losing the benefits. That's what we are struggling, we are fighting, we are ready to extend our support to all the below poverty line people. Even our OC is not working for the only forward caste. We are going to work for the creamy layer looters. Creamy layer looters in other communities like SC, ST, BC. We are going to fight from the 15th August onwards on behalf of BC, SC, ST, below poverty people. This is what in a OC have a very credibility across India. None of the organization will fight for the other communities. As an OC forward caste also, we are going to fight for the other caste as well because our aim is an uplift for the all the poor people, all the real beneficiaries. That's what once again thank you one and all for coming in a Jantar Mantar, and once again press media and police people, thank you one and all. Thank you so much. Jai Jai OC. Jai Jai OC.
We want
Justice.
We want